to another video all about science. Most of us teachers have difficulty in trying to explain how to teach science concepts as it can be quite abstract at times. But don't worry, because we are here to help you. So if you have been wondering how to teach the concept of potential and kinetic energy, you have come to the right place, as we, the Untouchables, will help you with that. Here is a DIY spinning carousel which is called the Flamingo Land. This toy will help you to use it in your instructions with your Year 4 student. This is the upper part of the carousel. This is the front part of our carousel. The right side of our carousel. The back part of our carousel. And the left side of the carousel. The material used for the construction of this toy was a Tupperware as the base with some stones in the Tupperware to make it heavier. We also used ice cream sticks and some thick grass to decorate it like a fence. We have also used a PVC pipe as the stand of the carousel. The rubber band was inserted from the Tupperware through the PVC till the top of the pencil holder. The paper plates and CD are used as the top part of the carousel, needle and thread to hang the flamingo, and some stickers to decorate the carousel. The pencil holder is used to twist the rubber band for the movement of the carousel. We use hot glue gun to stick it all together. We also use spray paint for the stand and paper plates. Let's see how it works. First, you will have to hold the pencil and wind up the toy with the rubber band in an anti-clockwise direction. Wind it until you feel like it is tight enough to spin it. Then, let go of the pencil holder. It should spin quickly. Wind it up and spin it again. You must be wondering, how does this toy teach your learners about potential and kinetic energy? Well, as we know, potential energy is a form of energy that results from an object's position or arrangement of parts. It is stored energy that can become kinetic energy. When the rubber band is tightly wound up in an anti-clockwise manner, it has a lot of energy. But until you let go, the energy is stored up waiting to be unleashed. This is potential energy. Kinetic energy is a form of energy that results from an object's motion. Once you release the top of the carousel, the rubber band will unwind quickly. This movement is kinetic energy. Amazing, right? We bet you are thinking about how to incorporate this toy into your lesson. Let's say your learning outcome is, at the end of the lesson, students should be able to differentiate potential and kinetic energy, as well as interpret the processes of energy conversion from one form to another. Let's begin. First, the teacher would demonstrate the toy without teaching them the concept. When the teacher is demonstrating the toy, students will be in groups of 4 and will be given a worksheet. Students will be asked to observe what is happening with the toy and they will have to write down their observations. Once students have discussed their observation, the teacher can ask them some questions regarding the toy. Some of the questions that can be asked would be, what happens when the top of the carousel is released? And was there any energy involved when it was released? These are some of the questions that can be used to engage students with the toy. After discussing, the teacher can explain the theory behind the carousel. Once the discussion is over, students will have to illustrate the carousel and explain in their own words to ensure that they have understood the concept in the worksheet provided. This is a worksheet with the sample answer that have been done by a student. This is where students will draw their observation based on the carousel. Once they have done that, each group will have to draw another toy or daily example that has the same concept as the carousel in the second page of the worksheet. Students will also have to explain the concept that was illustrated by them, and the explanation should include the different types of energy as per the worksheet. This is an example of an in-class activity that can be used using this toy. We have used the guided approach to teach this concept. By doing so, students will be able to differentiate the difference between potential and kinetic energy and will understand the energy conversion from one to another. If you would like a copy of the worksheet and the sample answer, you can access it from the link in the description below.
We have came to the end of our video. I hope this toy and activity will help you make science more fun. Do comment on the section below if you have any question. This video was brought to you by Suprit,
Soothing, Natalie,
Emily,
Joanne.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you till we meet again. Bye!
Bye!